So many things I do, and girl, you never wanna judge. And maybe you're the reason that
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, she made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, she made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, she made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, she made the bag.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, she made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, she made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, she made the bag. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad, she made the bag.
And I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding